They have a goal? Wait.
That's a wrap!
Everybody always laughs when I say that.
The gangster league?
No, not the Barry, not to die. I was at an event yesterday, and so I guess I didn't switch it.
Charge it.
Did not charge it last night.
Nice. 6, 7, keep that core tight. 8, 9.
Oh my god.
One more, press the feet into the ground, and 10. Perfect. That looks good. With the bench, you get a little bit more support. It also takes away some of the momentum, right?
That's true.
With a bench, shoulder press, you're gonna be able to do a little bit more because you don't need to use core as much. Yeah. But you don't get that leg drive that you would say.
Yeah, because that's what helps. Finished my workout. I'd say top 5 workouts, to be honest. I've been on like a consistent roll. I've been seeing a personal trainer since January, and I've been consistently seeing him like since, and I've been like, no joke, like it's true what they say, like practice really makes perfect, because my assessment, like we talk about it after every workout or after every time we're at like a new weight or like a new kind of technique or a new exercise is what I'm trying to say. I'm like blown away. I'm like, I wasn't able to do any of this and now I can. So yeah, it feels great. I don't feel exhausted or winded despite only having 4 hours of sleep yesterday. But we're here and I'm super excited. Talk about top 5 workouts. These are I'm at my top 5 place to be for Errands. If you know, you know. I'm at Costco, baby, and you guys are along for the ride. I have to do a major restock on just body essentials, vitamin essentials. I have to re-up on just like snacks, because I'm an athlete now, right? So I need healthier snacks. So we're here. It's a part of my personality and that's just what it is. Like, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to tell you. But also, thank you. Where is parking? There we go. Parked up legitimately now. Okay, let's head inside. I hope they have everything in stock, but I also can't wait for this Costco haul. I love it. Ah! Love this. Love it. You guys can see my cart right now. It's just a bunch of vitamins. Let me show you. So I got my omega-3s, my hair, skin, and nails. This really, okay, let me give you guys the English side. This right here, I really, really love. It helps with relaxing my muscles, helps me sleep better at night. It's just so good. And I got my vitamin C. So I got pretty much the holy grail. I got my collagen from Amazon, but I noticed that Costco has liquid collagen, and I didn't know that, but I would have gotten it from here. But this is really good. If you guys need a cosign, definitely get this, but this is tried and true. I really like it, and yeah, I got that. A lot of people are curious about the toothpaste that I use, like online and in real life, and this is the one that I've been using for years. I like the ones from Costco only because they're like really big and they come in a pack of 4. Although the prices have been going up. When I first started buying that toothpaste, I think it was at like 13 bucks or something like that, because I used to buy a pack for me and for my sister. And now it's at 18, like pretty much 19 bucks. But it is really good. I really like it. I do get a lot of questions around that, but that's the brand that I use. This is coming from a person that drinks a lot of coffee. If you know, you know. So I don't know about this brand, but I've been seeing it even at the grocery store. I typically go for the Starbucks one, but I'll grab this one and try it out. This is so good. This is so, so good. And I like how they separate into 2 packs, so it doesn't spoil all at once. I really love that. I love these guys. Oh my god, they're so heavy. But I love using this for the bathroom. I think I have everything I need, and honestly then some, because my cart is looking like this right now. Granola bars is what I need to pack because after tennis, I get winded and I don't think those nuts are gonna last very long, so. And they don't have any berries, unfortunately, so I'm just going to double check. They don't have micellar water. Yogurt I got, dried mangoes I got. It's my little checklist. Berries and grapes they had, but at this particular Costco, they don't refrigerate them, and I don't like that, so I'm not gonna grab it from here. Thank you so much! Okay, these look amazing. Holy smokes. This is my date for the night. Make sure you follow her. I'll link her YouTube right over here. It's the one, the only, Alma.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Okay, I have to go to the mall, multiple malls. Gotta get my nails done. Look at this creaky crack. This one broke off because of tennis. This one, I don't even know what's going on. Like, essentially what's happening right now, I'm a pro athlete, and like, as a pro athlete does, like, injuries can happen, and so sometimes like my nails have to take an L, so that's what's happening. But that's gonna be one of the last stops. I honestly truly believe when I'm on that court, I'm an athlete. You can't tell me anything. I mean, okay, listen, I might vlog when I'm playing tennis. Probably not a game, only because like people I play with, like number one, oh, you're gone. Number one, I don't know who I play with. Like, I don't know who I'm about to play with every week. And so it's like a new opponent. It's a new challenger. Like, you know what I mean? Every week. So I don't, like, I'd feel a bit uncomfortable like vlogging a game. But maybe like a lesson, like when I'm with my instructor. He might be cool with that, but I don't even know that, like, you know what I mean? But no, I like to boost about tennis and like even working out and stuff like that with my family and friends, but it's truly just out of like fun. Truly, like when I started working out, I didn't necessarily have a goal. Wait. I don't have the little thingy anymore, but we move. Anyways, when I started working out, I didn't have like a goal. It just got really cold outside, so I couldn't take my walks anymore. So I was just like, okay, well, I need to do something. So I started working out with my personal trainer. Somebody's watching me vlog. And then What was I gonna say? Oh, and then tennis, I knew through my personal trainer because one of his other clients plays at this tennis club. So he was like, hey, I'll send you the link. Maybe you can sign up for like their next kind of like, I guess, opening or whatever. I don't know. So I did that, and then lo and behold, fast track, I'm now a pro athlete. So there's just so many, I don't know. So that comes with a nail or two breaking, unfortunately. But we're here, we move, and I have a game tonight. So it should be fun, but that's like the last stop of the day. And yeah, so I really just have to focus on my returns. Any Hoosiers, I'm going to focus on this road because I do not want to break this camera. Okay, I'll catch you guys later.